That's okay. The roadway is wide enough, so you're okay. You see the end of the car right here? Alright, that's your 45-degree angle to the roadway. So at this point now, you straighten the wheels out. One full circle. Right there, perfect. And then you just reverse again.
And then not do this anymore?
No, yeah, that's right. You don't need your signal on now. When it goes off, you just leave it off. You just need it as you're approaching and then start to reverse. So now you're going to stop again when you see the brake light somewhere around this area right here. That's great. So now if you check in the side mirror, can you see the edge of the road, like where the curb is in there? The smallest window? The smallest mirror?
In the little circle?
Yeah? Okay. So you notice that you're pretty close, right? So now if you keep the car in motion and turn your wheels quickly all the way to the left at the same time, you'll be right where you should land. Actually, let's see. And keep the car in motion. And you keep going until you're nice and parallel here. Nice, clean, straight lines. If you look over here, that's nice and straight. You can see the lines, right, with the curb and the side of your car. It's nice and parallel there. Awesome. So then you put it into park. You remembered. Awesome. Okay, and that's all there is to it.
On your road test, like, is there actually somewhere I can engage my parking brake?
Just if you have a parking brake, you should use it. If you have the lever, some have the foot pedal. I don't know what your car has, but if you have whichever. If it's electric though, they just want you to pretend like we have been doing. Just engage parking brake.
I actually never checked on my mom's car. She has.
Yeah, you'll want to find all of that out before you go for your road test. So, okay. A lot of cars do have, like, what kind of car is it? That'll probably have an electric parking brake like this.
So do I just say it?
Yeah, you just say it, just like you've been doing with me the whole time. Engage parking brake. Yeah.
Like, she can't talk to me, so I'm just gonna be like talking to no one and being like, engage parking brake.
Oh, they're friendly. They'll talk to you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we'll take off.
Actually, what was wrong? Wait. Signal here.
Right on. Okay. Let's make a left turn over here.